What is this?
It's the Hitachi FMS system, flexible machining system. Use that for all our high volume product. That can be anything from our standard core product to even our customer specific products.
What impact has Hitachi had?
What's nice with the FMS system is the fact that with the 72 tombstones and the 4 machines, we can load up high volume jobs, set up the machines. There's 4 machines in the cell, and each machine can handle, I think, 10 different programs at a time. So I can have as many as 40 jobs lined up. You guys can go through, load up those tombstones, and literally walk away. And those machines then can run 24/7 until those programs are completed.
Was there a time it was critical to meeting a deadline?
Often. I mean, we use those on any high volume order we get. We have crunch time happens and an emergency from a customer. It's an ideal machine to be able to put that product on.
What impact has it had on quality?
To be able to do a AQL on the parts is an easy process with that manufacturing because you're going to run 200 at a time on a tombstone. It's the same program over and over again, same tooling, same setups, so it's very repetitive. I mean, every 330 pieces or so you're checking them, but our quality is excellent off those machines. It's very repetitive.
What are your thoughts on the Hitachi?
Oh, I love it. I mean, it's one of our key core product machining centers, allows us to continue doing that 24/7 operation, so it's a lights out production system.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.